Hello everybody, Sorbeaten here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video, I'll be tackling some measurement type multiple choice questions. So let's get straight into the first one. So this one says, we have a diagram. It says in the circle above with center O, the area is 20 cm squared. The area of the minor sector AOB in cm squared is, so they want to find the area of the minor sector, which would be the area of this piece here. So then we know the area of the circle is equal to 20 meters squared. So if you want to find the area of the sector, which is 60 degrees of the entire circle, this will simply be, degrees, the total number of degrees in a circle will be 360. So this would be 60 over 360 multiplied by the area of the circle, which is 20. So the answer here would be simply 60 over 360 multiplied by 20. So let's move on. So this one says 2,500 millimeters expressed in meters is, so there's a beautiful thing that I use when I convert units. So I use this mnemonic. Many Chinese dads, many days Hong Kong. So the M would be, the middle M would be meters, and this first M, this N at the end here would be millimeters. So I want to convert from millimeters to meters. So what I do, I put a 1 over the thing that I want to convert from, and I put 0 in place of all the units until I reach the one that I want to convert to, which is meters. So I see the 1,000 is back to the front. So when we have a number back to the front, that means I'm dividing by this number. So to convert this, it will just be 2,500 divided by 1,000. This 0 go with that 0. This 0 go with that 0. This 0 bring the point here. So I'll have 2.5, which is simply B. And this question says the item refers to the following diagram, which shows a cylinder with diameter 6 cm and height 20 cm. The volume in cm cube of the cylinder is, so I want to find the volume of the cylinder. So I know to find volume of any cylinder, it will be, volume is equal to the area of the base. In this case, the area of the base is a circle, so it's pi r squared multiplied by the height. So the volume here would be equal to, so it's pi multiplied by the radius. So the total of the diameter is 6, so that means the radius would be half of that, which is 3. So it would be 3 squared, which would be the same thing as 3 times 3 multiplied by the height, which is 20. So this would be 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 20 would be 180. So it's pi multiplied by 180. So the answer is 180 pi. So this question was very nice to us. They did not ask us to multiply this by pi. So we have pi in the answer. So this answer would be simply A. So let's carry on. The distance around the edge of a circular pond is 88 meters. The radius in meters is, so we talk about the distance around a pond. We're talking about the perimeter of that pond or the circumference of that pond. So we know to find the circumference or the perimeter, the formula is 2 pi r. So they already told us that the distance around it is 88. So it's 88 would be equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. So they want to find r. So all we need to do is take over this 2 multiplied by pi. So it's multiplying. So when we take it over, it will divide. So we'll have 88 divided by 2 pi is equal to r. So r will be equal to, so there's 2 ones here, 2 into 2 ones, 88 divided by 2 is 44. So the radius will be equal to 44 over pi. So the radius is equal to 44 over pi, which is D. So don't be carried away and go and put and think that it's 80. So don't be carried away and think that it's 88 pi. You have to be careful. You need to do some cancelling out. So it's 44 over pi. So with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. So I tackled some measurement type questions in which I brought out some concepts in measurement. So I want you to use these concepts and practice and keep practicing these kind of questions. And I'll see you in the next video in which I'll be exploring some more. So until then, take care and keep practicing.